In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to lock money on Fairmoney app and earn interest for doing just that. So all you just need to do, just log into your Fairmoney app. As you can see right here, then the next thing you're going to do is just click swipe left from where you see your account balance. So swipe to the left to the third one, then you see save. Nothing saved yet, so I haven't saved any money on this account, which of course I just created the account. So you can click on save and you can see more. On this more, you're gonna see everything about the savings on Fairmoney app. You can see fair target, fair save, fair log. So they have three options, and these three options have different interest. You can see on the fair target you have 14% per annum, and for the fair save you have 13% per annum, and for the fair log you have 24% per annum. And this fair lock means that you have to lock the money until the certain time when you need the money, and you will not be able to withdraw the money. And you can also earn interest upfront. So once you earn interest, the interest will be paid to you and you can spend it anyhow you want, but then the main money will not be available until that stipulated time. So you can say reach your goals, earn every day, withdraw anytime, no fees. So that is why the interest was very low, but this the option that people really use most time, which is the fair lock. So once you click on that, you can see earn interest on upfront. You can now earn your interest up to 24% on fair lock upfront. So you can click on start savings, then you can see this page. Congratulations, you earn 432 naira now. Of course, I haven't even saved any money on the platform, so you will get 432% interest. Now if you save for 730 days, that's over a year. Wow. So if you save for 7 days, you see how much you're gonna be getting. You will get to 2 naira 41 cent interest. So it all depends on how long you want to save money. For 60 days you get 25 naira, for 180 days you get 93 naira, for 365 days you get 198 naira. So the goal is to save much money. You can see if you save 1 million naira, for example, you will be getting 198,000 interest. You can see that is for 365 days. So if you save more, you earn more. That is how it works. You save more, you earn more. You save more, you earn more. That is how it works. So this is how you can save money on Fairmoney and earn interest for doing just that.